Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss about a best alternative for Cam Scanner app, which is Adobe Scan. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the properties, functions and the uses of Adobe Scan app. This app is very popular in the Play Store and App Store, and you can get it for free, and you can unlock many features in this app without buying at any cost. So friends, let's review this app and let's check the features. So I have been using this app from my initial stages. Like in my college, I didn't use Cam Scanner app. I just only used this Adobe Scan. So if you open this app, you can find the interface like this, and these are my recent scanned PDF files. So you can see I have been using this app from 6 months, and you can also share the files. And while checking the settings, you can find numerous options like dark mode and clearing the cache, so and saving the photo files, etc. So let's see how this works. And you can also you can also make the PDF by using the internal photos like this, or you can scan by using your mobile camera. So let's see the scanner interface. So you can find numerous options like document, business card, form and whiteboard, etc. So, and there is a auto capture button which will use artificial intelligence to detect the pages, and there is a flash option here, and also photos for selecting PDF files. So in today's video I am going to scan this page in a PDF format. So I have now selecting document, and you can find by using the auto capture, the mobile will automatically detect the page, and you can find this on the screen, and you can adjust the page size, etc. and select on that file. You can find numerous options on the bottom like rearrange, crop and add page, like take another photo and select from photos, and also crop, rotate. This is the reorder button, and crop option is here, and the rotate option, and you can also change the colors. And these features are free for everyone. You do not need to pay for anything for this app. And also you can clean up the pages if you have any blur marks, and resize the page and delete the page. For resizing the page, you can find numerous options like A4, A5, etc. All these premium features which are available in Cam Scanner are available for free in this app. So definitely this app will useful for every person. And for reordering, I'm going to select I'm going to take another picture. So this is another picture. So you can find this, it will automatically detect the page and it will automatically take the picture. You don't need to click on the capture button. And for reordering this, like this, I have to reorder your pages, etc. So these are the best features and best functions that a scanner app should have, and you can rename like this. It's a general common thing. So it is a sample, so I'm going to giving a name as sample. So like this friends, you can find many premium features which are available in Cam Scanner are for free in Adobe Scan. So use this app and boycott the China apps. So that's all for today friends. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming updates. Signing off from the team Technician Tech.